If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Go to the game settings menu and navigate to the audio section. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify platform settings. If you're playing on a console or PC, check the platform's audio settings. Make sure that the microphone is enabled and that the game has permission to access it. Step 3. Test your microphone. Before jumping back into the game, test your microphone outside of Rocket League. Use a voice recording app or a different game to confirm that your microphone is functioning properly. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Rocket League can resolve voice chat issues. Close the game completely and relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working. Step 5. Update game and drivers. Ensure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Additionally, check for any updates for your audio drivers, as outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. If you follow these steps, you should be able to get your voice chat working in Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming.